Hey, sunshines. Happy Sunday. Listen, I was so proud of myself. Me and my son yesterday went to clean my car up. When I tell you my baby felt so much better, she needed to been clean, to be honest with you, for months now. And I've been putting it off. So I was super, super proud of myself. I was like, I'm gonna get my baby clean. And so he was like, Mom, if you take me to Kroger's, I'll clean your car. So he's cleaning my car. He's such a good kid. I love my son. So he's cleaning the car for me. And yeah, my baby is paid off, honey. So she ain't in the best of condition, but she working, honey. So paid off looks real good to me. So yeah, I'm just trying to dust off a little bit and clean things as I go. And then I'm going to get this grocery and get on to the house. And this is my haul because later on I'm cooking lasagna. So I got some snacks and some goodies. And so yeah, just stay tuned. I'm going to keep cleaning. And when I tell y'all, I've been trying some new products. I'm going to share with y'all some new stuff. But let me just put this grocery up, clean this kitchen up, and I'll share it with you guys. And yes, you will see me mop twice because y'all know when I get my new products, your girl be wanting to smell them and test them out. So yeah, this is the first day of me mopping, which it smelled really good. I told you I clean in multiple days. I don't clean all in one day. I break it up. So this was Friday that I was cleaning. And then you'll see on Saturday when I got my new products, I mopped again. But let's just say my house smelled good. And I was happy about it. I wasn't sad about it. But my kids, it was like, Mama, you just do too much. And I had to deep clean these couches because you'd be amazed at the little stuff that traps up in there. I don't know what you call it, but little trash and stuff. So it wasn't bad. It's just it's been needing to been done for a little while now, and I be putting it off. Y'all know how it is when you be thinking stuff needs to be clean, but you keep putting it off. But I finally got to it though, and then I'll show y'all my little hack of how I keep the insides pillows and stuff fresh, just a little freshen up every other month or so. These little sachet bags and put whatever scent boosters or unstoppables that I have, and I drop them in between my couch. And I didn't show it on here, but I do take fabric softener sheets and I stick them in between the little pillows. You know, you can unzip them and where the cotton is, and I put them down in there just to keep a little fresh scent, because I'm telling you, it's an ongoing process at your home. You got to do this stuff on a continuously basis, because just like you have to shower every day, you have to keep your home and stuff clean too, because when you cook in your home and all that stuff, cooking smells and all that stuff gets in your sofas and your fabrics and all that stuff. So yeah, you just have to freshen it up every once in a while. So I've been trying to sell my sofa and love seat, but I guess God is saying just keep it and use what you got, because I mean, not that I was gonna get another one, I just wanted to get rid of it because I was tired of it. But it is what it is. I'm gonna take care of what I do have. It's going on 4 years now, so I think it still looks really good to be almost 4 years old. So I take care of my stuff, you guys. It doesn't matter what you have, you guys. Take care of what you have, and then God can bless you with more. Because I promise you, if you don't take care of what you have, how can you ask God for more if you don't even take care of the little bit that you do have? So I take pride in taking care of my apartment. It's not my dream apartment, but you know, I mean, it is what it is. It's a roof over my head, and I try to take care of it, and I take pride in keeping my place as clean as I possibly can, and I want you guys to do the same thing. Yeah, my baby have her desk in the living room, and she got all her drawing stuff, so I just let her clean that up. I don't even bother that. But yeah, I'm just gonna mop the hallways and the bathrooms and keep it pushing, honey. But when I tell y'all, it's nothing like making my spirit feel so good when my house is clean. I be so proud of myself. When my space is clean, y'all, it just puts me in such a good mood. I already know the routine. I have to clean my kitchen up and stuff before I start cooking, because I promise you, I cannot cook in a dirty kitchen. We won't have no dinner if I got to cook in a nasty kitchen. So yeah, I have to clean my kitchen and get my dishes clean and all that before I start cooking. Let me know what y'all plans are for the 4th, because I'm going to see the fireworks. I'm not sure when they are, but I'm going to find out, because I love watching the fireworks. So I'm going to be doing that. But let me know in the comments what y'all going to be doing for the 4th of July holiday. So y'all, this is the new cleaning that I got, Mr. Clean, the Unstoppable. When I tell y'all, I put it in this spray bottle and just clean around your house, because your house have different smells, and you may get used to your smell, but somebody else may come in your house and say your house is stinky. So I saw this little hack on TikTok, and y'all know I couldn't wait to come home and try. I went out after I washed my car just to go get this Mr. Clean. When I tell y'all, it smells so good. So you know your girl, when she get her new products, what she gonna do? She gonna use them right away, and that's what I'm about to do. Yes, your girl is about to mop again for the 2nd day. So yeah, when I tell y'all go get this Mr. Clean, the blue bottle, it smells so good. My house smells so freaking good. And I just took it and put it in that spray bottle, and I cleaned my counters, my trash can, I cleaned my baseboards, my window seals, and my house smells amazing. I cleaned my doorknobs, all that good stuff. Y'all know I would not lie to y'all. If I didn't like it, I would not be telling y'all about it. Go get this. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get ready to fix my lasagna so that I can get there. And believe it or not, it's almost, I think that clock says it's about 9 o'clock something. I've been up since 5 o'clock cleaning, you guys, worshiping, doing all that good stuff, because I'm not doing a whole lot of cleaning and stuff no more. But Yeah, it's something about me getting up in the morning. It just gives me a boost of energy. And when you get up and you have worship and you pray and you talk to God, you set your intentions for the day, y'all, it puts you in a better mood. Try this week. Get up a few minutes earlier than what you normally do. Get you some praise and worship music on. Journal your thoughts. Set your intentions for the day. Write out 5 to 6 things that you're going to get done today. And by the end of the day, when you check those things off, be super proud of yourself for accomplishing something. When you set your intentions in the morning, you leave yourself room to do some amazing things. I always say, if you write it down, it's going to happen. That's why I'm a big firm believer of writing things down. Your dreams, your goals, whatever that case may be, write it down. You know in the word it says, write the vision, make it plain. I'm in a season of receiving. I don't know about y'all, but God is finna do some big things in my life. And I'm opening my heart to receiving everything that's good. And I want the same thing for you guys as well. So let me know in the comments, what are you planning to do for this week? Big or small, it doesn't matter. And I'm cooking lasagna because I'm gonna eat off of this for the next couple of days, because stuff like lasagnas, baked spaghetti, I can eat that for a few days. So this is what me and the kiddos going to be eating on a couple of days now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it blesses you, give you some inspiration. Make sure y'all check out my stand store. Make sure you grab the self-care journal and the smell good ebook. It's all in the stand store. The link will be in the descriptions. I love you guys, and I will definitely see you on my next video. I'm a firm believer, y'all. Y'all do not have to be in the kitchen all day to get a good, wholesome, healthy meal for you and your family. It could be as big, as small, as whatever you, I don't care if you order pizza today. Whatever you do, make sure you bless it and thank God that you're able to even have anything on your table. Because there's a lot of people out there that's hungry and homeless and wishing they had just a glimpse of what you have. So be